Mutt Busters out here in Glendale, and look at this. Is this a service mutt? This is a service mutt, right? Sniffing around, looking for something to eat, and the employees said nothing to him. So I'm going to go and find a manager and find out why this is going on. Because I don't understand how they keep letting people bring dogs into these stores. And as you can see, there's no one to complain to. There's not even anyone who can help me with my purchase. And look, just sniffing around looking for something to eat. That's why I hate dog culture. And all you fucking nutters suck.